Ito yung sinasabi siguro ng ng management, no, na this is the right time. Kaya binabanggit ng founder yung AI nung mga nakakaraan eh. Siguro baka ito yung AI na sinasabi niya, no? No? Sir Eddie, anong gagawin?
Di ba? Nandun na yung AI robot natin nung kayo umatin doon sa
yes.
ano?
Sa Abu Dhabi.
Oo. Yan na.
Yung pinapapasok ko si Sunil, no? Sandali lang ha. Papasukin ko si Sunil.
Baka makapasok. So ayan po, habang inaantay natin si Sunil, so siguro naman ay nakita nyo po yung napakagandang opportunity nito. Unang-una, gaya ng sabi ko nga po kanina, unang pagkakakitaan natin ay dun sa Sonic AI natin na magti-trade para sa atin. So, ibig sabihin walang talo kasi nga sure ball siya. Nakita nyo naman po yung 1 week na nag-trade siya mula nung kami nag-join ay puro panalo po yun. Ano? Then, pangalawa, itong ating profit sharing na 10 level depth. Basta mag-deposit lang po tayo ng minimum $250. Ano? Then, yung third po ay itong mga incentive na ito, which is kayang-kaya basta tatrabahuhin lang natin. Ano? Ang maganda lang po dito, lalo dun sa mga pioneers na mga active, hindi na kayo mahihirapan sa structure kasi ang ginawa po ng kasunduan ng tag market at saka ng C1, kung ano yung structure mo sa C1, yun din po yung susundin nilang structure dito po sa tag market. Yun nga lang po dito ay first come first serve. Ibig sabihin, kung sino po yung unang mag-a-activate o mag-i-invest, siya po ang magiging level 1 mo. Kuha nyo?
Tama.
Siya po magiging level 1. Kaya, pero wag po kayo mag-alala kasi napakalalim po nito. Ano? I-share nyo lang po ito sa mga members ninyo. Gaya ng sabi ko, kung ikaw ay team leader, coordinator, manager, director, president, may mga grupo po kayo sa ilalim. I-share nyo lang po ito, bubuhayin nyo lang po sila. Ibig sabihin, gigisingin lang po ninyo sila. Sabihin nyo lang po na meron na tayong napakagandang negosyo sa C1, yung Sonic AI bot natin na nagtitrade para sa atin at kumikita tayo na walang ginagawa. O diba? Sino ba naman mag-aayaw nun, sir, sa palagay mo? Yung walang ginagawa, kumikita ka. Plus may mga incentives ka pa. O diba? Yes. Kaya yun po, talagang nako. Sabi ko nga, nag-uusap ka kami ni Sir Danny, Sir Anton, may maipakita lang tayo, sabi namin, may maipakita lang tayong proof. Kung ano yung lakas namin nung kami nagsimula 2020, sir, dodoblihin namin yon. Basta meron lang tayo maipakitang resulta. This is mangyayari dito yung sa tag market, sir.
Yes.
Wala pa dyan yung ating UNX, ha? Wala pa dyan yung UNX sa pinag-uusapan natin. Wala pa dyan yung Corbit sa exchange. What more kung yan ay nag-launch din po yung mga yan.
Yes.
May Planetary Season 2 pa tayo. Imagine mo yan, magkasasabay-sabay.
And we still have UNX coming up soon. Yes. And yes. Are you not surprised why the company is so quiet after the event? There will be something amazing that will come up soon na magugulat tayo. And because it's unusual for the company who had a world event which was happening in Thailand, and yet we don't hear anything after that. Have you narinig niyo na ba yun, sir? No, we have here Sir Sunil, Sunil Borkar. He joined with us. No, yeah. Anyway, thank you so much, sir, for your presentation. I do hope everybody are really excited with this amazing tag market C-store product that we have from C1, no? And until now, it comes to my mind to bring back the burning desires that we have, but it nakakakilabot, no? It gives you a goosebump doing this. Anyway, sir, thank you so much, Sir Eddie, for the presentation of the Stratify from our tag market. no, the 10 level depth, the profit sharing. So makikita niyo po lahat, no, yung ganda, no, nung profit sharing, no. Ayun. Thank you, sir. Grabe.
Okay po. Salamat po sa ating lahat. I hope na nakita nyo po yung napakagandang opportunity na gaantay sa atin. So yan, bigyan naman po natin ng pagkakataon yung ating Indian friend under Team Travers ni Sir Anton na makapag-share din ng kanyang ng kanyang nalalaman sa ating tag market. Sige sir, at i-ano ko lang ito.
Sige lang. Okay.
Tapusin ko lang itong sa akin.
Sunil, I'm going to introduce you.
Recording stopped.
Okay, sir. Okay. You can go ahead, sir. Pwede na.
Okay. Guys, ladies and gentlemen, to our Filipino communities, no, around the world, I am privileged.
Recording in progress.
I'm privileged and honored to find a good friend, no, a good friend like a brother to me, and also one of my top leader. He is already a manager 3-star in our organization, and oh my goodness, he's the one who fired me up triple, double, or quadruple in this business. We went to Dubai, to Abu Dhabi last year, and it's been a year now after the Corvette launching, and we're very proud that we were there at that time. And now we are slowly reaping the rewards of Corvette token, because we've already used the Corvette token to join in our tag market. And I'd like to introduce to you my brother, my friend, my confidante, if I may say, no? We shared a lot of things. My manager 3-star, Mr. Sunil Borkar. Sunil, take it away. You can unmute yourself. Unmute yourself, Sunil. Yeah, that's it.
Can you hear now? Yeah, everybody?
Yes. Take it away.
Yeah, okay. Good evening, everybody. So, I'm Sunil. So, Anton already introduced about me. So, yes, we are very excited with tag market. The new thing has come to us. Just
okay.
A minute.
Somebody calling you? Okay.
So, sorry, somebody was trying to call me. I'm privileged to, we are excited. We're still learning about tag market, but we getting to know more thing about the tag market, that how we burn our coin and how we make our account in tag market. So, is everybody's wish to desire somehow stable income. So the guys who already not burn or not bought token, we have the best opportunity before 31st, I would say. So we started with like 10 USDT first, and then we're growing slowly as everybody's capability. And the tag market is like they have Sonic AI. The technology coming there. So. And they will use as a Sonic AI trading for us Monday to Friday, because this I was reading about tag market, and I found this tag market is regulated by Mauritius Financial Services from Forex trading, so it's regulated by government. So I would reassure there is no worry about, what you invest there, it will be safe there. But the guys, good thing is about how everybody want to do, how everybody's capability they can do before this opportunity, because we can burn our Corvette token to earn the stable income at least Monday to Friday. So they will trade for us, and this is the first opportunity we got after 5 years in Crowd1 with tag market, because they have merged with tag market to give us this big opportunity. So this is new for people, but it's coming exciting. Yeah. And I would say Anton doing it. So I'm pleased still Anton doing presentation, continuing our business. So the guys carry on this opportunity, because once this Corvette token, I don't know, this is the last sale they're doing, 31st October. and we're waiting for news to launch our Corebit token. So once it's launched, it will be difficult to buy a Corebit to do the trading with tag market, which you can do cheaply. So continue that. We are all excited. So Anton is excited as well. Anton, yeah?
Yeah. Sunil, if I may ask a question, if you can divulge to us, how much did you put on the money in tag market?
Yeah. So yes. So we started with 10 USDT because I don't know how to do it. But then I was watching video. So I learned, then I phoned Anton. So we started with 10 USDT actually. So we did 10 USDT with burn 20 token in there first. Then we did another 10. Then I did 25. So 50. So as you burn twice token, you deposit in tag wallet. Then I did 250. So I sent Anton money as well. Then we did with the help. We got one sister, so which kind and helping us. So then I did 7,500. So we got big amount account. So the next, my target is to do open 15,000 USDT account, which will be, I burn already my 30,000 token. So that will be like 15 and 50, so 30,000. So that will multiply by 12 times. So means it will be big amount. So it will give you more earning because look, the work is, there's no work in UK is we're struggling to get earn money. So that's the idea, But this is one-time investment. So, but it will give you secure earning with Sonic AI. So we are all super excited. Yeah.
Yeah. But the total money that you invested is how much? 7,000?
7,000, nearly like 7,800.
790.
8,000. Yeah.
I'm your upline, so I know it.
Yeah, definitely. I was talking. I'm here with Sobi sister today.
Yeah,
so I was
Sister
just
Sobi there.
with
I
Sobi
would like
sister.
to
Yeah.
speak to Sister Sobi if I may talk to her. Is that okay?
Yeah. You can talk.
Hi, Sister Sobi.
Hi.
Hello, hi.
Hi. Hello,
yeah.
Anton.
I'd like to say thank you for everything, for
Thanks.
joining us, and then thank you for believing in us, Sister Sobi. And
Yes, Anthony, I really thank you as well because as you said, in the UK, we all struggling. I was struggling really. I didn't know what to do. But then this opportunity came.
yeah.
So I invested 2 times. I invested 5,001
Uh-huh.
and
then
then 7,500 USDT, and third one I already 15,000 already
Yes.
did. I'm waiting for my first day payment.
Yes. Yes. Have you heard about it, guys? She invested in total of $22,000. This is what I'm talking to you, and it's
So
not.
I'll tell you. So when I put the 7,500 USDT,
Yeah.
I earn every day more than $60 every day,
Yes.
or
Have you heard
sometimes
that, guys?
70.
So
Yeah.
for the $22,000, Sobi, that will be more every day that you're going to earn. And I
I'm
think
just yesterday I invested 15,000, so I'm waiting for my first day.
Uh-huh.
It might be today, tonight, or tomorrow. I'm
Yeah.
excited how much it will come every day.
You know what, Sister Sobi, what had happened is, because you just invested the amount of another $15,000. What will happen is, our trading system of Sonic AI, they are robot. You know what I mean? They don't trade if you will lose. And the good thing about the Sonic AI, the maximum loss that you're going to get is only 10% of your money, and it will stop. That means if you invested $22,000, if you lose 10% of that, which is 2,200, it will stop. It won't continue. Then it will gonna trade again the following day. So I'm speaking to everyone here. Can I speak in our language?
Yeah. But I want to tell you one more thing before.
Yeah, good. Come on.
I just want more specifics. So the one I invested 7,500. For 1 week, I earned like $300 already for 1 week.
Oh my goodness! Oh, have you heard about?
So So I invested same amount for my sister and my daughter as well. I already did yesterday.
Yes. Very good. Congratulations.
Yeah,
Congratulations.
thank you very
Oh
much.
my goodness. Thank you so
Yeah.
much, Sister Sobi, for
You can
believing in
carry
us.
on.
Yeah,
Yeah.
yeah. Thank you so much. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness.
So
I-
this is yeah, we look.
Power,
I mean,
Sonil,
we
power,
waited
power.
5 years, yeah, with crowd one, but this is a real good opportunity they given us. So, and in difficult time, because in UK I haven't got any work, so I rely on some income coming.
Yeah.
So it's good actually opportunity.
Good. Yeah.
So guys, if you have money, I would say don't hesitate. Just go for it. Just go for it. Just buy the ultra shockwave package and just burn your Corbit, and depend your capability, you can deposit in Tiger Market and use that one.
Right.
Because after that, we don't know whether this opportunity will come again. Because core Bitcoin, we have to buy from exchange. It could cost dollar. It could go $1 to any price in future. So you will not able to buy that time. It will be expensive. So now it's cheaper. So I would say just buy it and hold it. And
Yes.
go for the best opportunity.
Burn it.
Wow.
Burn it, buy and burn it. Don't wait for anybody's. This is real, guys. I would say go for it 100%. That's guaranteed. Yes, yeah. And you will succeed in your life. Yeah.
Yes. Thank you so much, Sunil and Sister Sobi. My goodness, this is one of good friends that I have, in my Indian community. And our plans, guys. We're going to see each other again, maybe next month, and also we're going to India. We're going to India.
Yes. By December, if our coin launch,
for December or January, that's our plan. Oh my.
Yes, definitely, definitely. Yes. We're looking days ahead. We suffered last 4 years with difficulty time. We come up so far nicely. So this is our last moment, guys, and wait for it. Will good coming now. Good days coming.
Yeah. Guys, have you heard? Narinig nyo naman, ano? Sorry, I'm going to talk our language. Is that okay, yeah?
Yeah, okay.
Yeah.
Thank you, Anton.
Narinig nyo naman, guys, no? Nakita nyo yung nakita namin. And Sunil, by the way, just ask. I think the next time you can message Raj so that Raj can join with us in our Zoom meeting. We'll talk about it, how we'll be able to create a bigger crowd. We joined the Indian team as well. Together with the Filipino teams that we have. Then we will join Raj with us. And,
I think we're going to concentrate more on this business now. The tag market is very exciting. Yeah.
Yes, we will concentrate more as well on tag market and see how it goes. Congratulations, Sunil, for your team.
Thank you.
I'd like to congratulate you today as well that you closed another deal for one of our affiliate down in Lincoln, where I used to live.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I created his account with 130.
So congratulations.
Today,
Sister Sobi, congratulations. Let's meet up again next month. I'll be there next month. I'll see you. And I'm excited to see you. We have a good meal. We're going to have a good meal. And let's talk. Let's talk profit. Let's talk how we will flourish more with our affiliates, with our downlines, with our friends as well, to earn money on this tag market. And I believe that this is the right time now. I believe that this is the time to invest in a good company that we have. And Sunil and Sister Sobi, the guys that we have here at the moment are all our leaders around the world. They're from Italy. They're from the Philippines, from Spain, from Saudi Arabia, from Australia, from Canada, and the rest of the world. We are one. So congratulations to both of you, and let's have a good year ahead of us. And God will help us to get all the things that we needed, in God's perfect hands. Thank you so much for you both. No.
Okay. Thank you, guys.
Thank you,
everybody.
Yeah,
thank you. Congratulations, everybody.
Congratulations. Yeah. Guys, narinig nyo.
Recording stopped.
Narinig nyo yung testimony ng dalawa nating kaibigan, no? Dalawa nating leaders, how much did they invest and how much they earn. It's not, hindi, sabi ko nga sa inyo, the structure that I've seen, nagulat din po ako, no? Nagulat ako dahil sa haba ng structure na nakita ko, talagang overwhelming. That's only a profit sharing. It's not, hindi pa kasama yung kinikita natin from daily income. Narinig nyo, magkano? $300, $70 a day. Isipin nyo kayong, bawi niya kagad yun. Nakuha nyo po. No, Sir Eddie? No? Grabe.
Hindi sir, yung sinabi niya kasi na $200 a day niya, doon lang sa 7,000 yun. Wala pa po yung 15,000 doon. So, ibig sabihin, magdodoble yun.
Magdodoble yun.
Around less than 500. So, plus 200, nasa $700 a day na yun, sir.
$700 a day. Grabe. Grabe. Sabi ko sa inyo. Grabe. Oh. Isa pong patunay sa inyo that they are talaga. Kaya masaya ako na narinig niya.
Nakakalula naman yung Indian team mo, sir. Sana all.
Grabe. Grabe talaga. Oh. Samantalang yun sa akin, ang liit-liit lang, kita nyo. Oh, bakit sila ganon, di ba? Nakita nila, sir, eh. Kaya sinabi ni Sunil, struggling talaga yung trabaho. No? Struggling yung trabaho.
Kahit hindi na siya magtrabaho, sir, kung ganyan kalalaki yung mga investor na makukuha niya.
Kaya... Ayun. May question pa po? May question kayo?
Magtanong na yung mga gusto magtanong at kayo mahawaan.
May question po ba kayo? Every night tayo, open Zoom 8:30. Sige, sir. Every night. Sige. Salamat, sir, kasi gusto ko rin mag-invite na hindi member. Elena, gawin mo yon. Okay lang. 1 million.
Magaling din yan si Ma'am Elena. Magaling din mag-invite yan. Si Ma'am Elena. Magaling din.
Tingnan nyo, si Sunil nagpasok ng magdadagdag pa siya, sir. Kita mo, gagawin niya yung 15,000. Sinasabi niya kanina.
Kung putuin niya yung kanyang binurn, talagang
yung total na binurn niya na 30,000, kita nyo, bubuuin niya yon. Pag sinabi niya, gagawin niya yon, sir. Gagawin niya yon.
Yan, no? Ginabot.
Nailalabas nila, kinikita nila, sir. Yun nga, ang question nga, tayo, halimbawa, sir, kasi malaki yung pinasok nila. Ganun. Ganun
sila positive eh.
Ganun sila
bawi nila kaagad yun, sir. Kasi ang laki naman ng daily.
Ang laki ng daily nila. Bawi kaagad eh.
Diba? Imagine mo yun, $700. Sabi mo na $700. Sweldo na yung sir ng isang buwan eh. Wala kang gagawin yun, ha? Wala kang gagawin. Kung titita ng ganon, isang kapak.
Kaya...
Mapera yun, sir, ha? Mapera yung kanyang nakuhang yun, ha? Alam mo na. Kasi, siyempre, sa Yoke, malaki ang sweldo dyan, eh. Kaya, baka mayroon silang, siyempre, nakatagong,
Pero, tsaka may mga business yan back in India. Kaya, ganun ka, sila ka...
Pero di ba nasa nasa UK sila, sir, di ba?
Oo, nasa UK silang dalawa. Oo. Pero may yung mga tao namin na doon sa baba nila, yun yung mga nag-i-invest din ng malalaki. Kaya nung nakita ko, grabe. Sabi ko.
Marami silang ma-invite dyan sa UK. Siyempre sa UK, affordable nila maglagay dyan ng kasi malalaki pwede dyan eh. Oo, talagang yan. Ako, si Sunil pa. Matindi rin yan, kaibigan mo yan eh. Talagang Fernando po na. Fernando po rin.
Oo, talagang Fernando po talaga yan. Talaga. Hindi kasi tsaka nakakapag-withdraw, sir eh. Nakakapag-withdraw eh. Nailalabas ko yung pera.
Nakakapag-withdraw naman talaga, sir. Di ba may pinakita rin sa oral yun, nag-withdraw siya nung kailan ba yun? Ang aalamin lang natin kung ilang minuto bago dumating. Pero sabi naman doon, mabilis lang mas mabilis siya sa ibang platform. Di ba sinabi doon sa presentation?
Oo, si Sunil, sabi sa akin ni Sunil, mahaba na yung 30 minutes. Depende yan sa traffic, sabi niya. May times na 3 minutes lang, andun na. Sabi niya, mahaba na yung 30 minutes. May time kasi daw na nag-withdraw siya gabi. Sabi niya, inintay niya pumasok, di pumasok, pero pagising niya, nandun na. Merong gano'n.
Okay.
So,
Magta-try din ako sa sa Bernet. Yung itutuloy ko lang yung aking notebook kasi kinulang kasi ng $10. Kaya hindi ko na ituloy na mag-withdraw sa crypto wallet. Pero dahil nagdagdag ako, yan, makakaipon niya ng more than 10. May tutorial na naman tayong papakita.
Ayun.
No?
Grabe.
Diba?
Oh.
Si Coach Dani, baka magbebenta ito na isang kondo, lalagay niya rin dyan, papantay niya si Sunila. Yung kondong hindi kumikita,
Ay, mute ko. Yan. Sige, sir. Yeah. Ayun, Sir Danny, salita ka. Yan.
Wait lang, naka-mute yan.
Okay.
Wait lang. Dali lang, ha? Bubuksan ko lang yung ating kasi parang dito
Yan.
yata kanina.
Sir Danny, salita ka.
Ayan, okay na. Nakabukas na.
Hello. Lubot yung isang cellphone ko kasi nasa kompa ko dito, nasa work pa. Ngayon, ang gagawin natin ay kasi inoobserbahan pa natin itong tag market, no? Ang pinag-aaralan ko, Coach Andon, Coach Eddie, kasi yung direct ko ay hindi ko maintindihan kung bakit ganun kataas. Ay hindi naman ako nagpasa kahit isa na link. Wala akong pinasok. Ngayon,
Hindi, nakikita nila yan, sir, sa nakikita nila yan sa
Sa YouTube kasi yan, sinusundan nila sa YouTube,
Susunod
nagre-register
sila
na sila doon.
kaya magugulat kayo, alam nila kagad kung paano makikita mo Nagsa-sign up kagad sila. Hindi na maganda.
hindi naman ako nagpasa ng link sa YouTube
Ay, hindi naman kailang ipasa ang link bro kasi yung structure mo sa C1, yun na rin yun.
Kung nag-sign up sila, pasok
So
sa'yo.
gusto kong pag-aralan kasi meron akong idea kung bakit mataas ang direct. Kaya ngayon ay mag-meeting tayo mamaya kasi nasa work pa ako. Meron akong idea kung bakit mataas yung direct.
Pero Dani, di ba sinasabi ko sa iyo, di ba sinasabi namin sa iyo, kung sino yung unang mag-active kahit nag-register, kasama yun sa first direct. Hindi mahalaga kung sino yung direct mo sa C1 Basta yung unang nag-active. Kasi marami pang hindi nagre-register, di ba? Kakaunti pa yan. Kung totoo 95 sa dami natin, kakaunti pa.
Yes.
Oh,
Kasi ang nakita ko doon, 8 lang ang direct mo. Ang akin ay 15 ba yun, Coach Anton?
Kasi nga,
17?
mas marami
18
naman
ba?
yung timo kaysa sa akin, di ba?
Oo.
Mga leader dyan sa iyo mga nandyan sa iyo, mga leader.
Ngayon, ang masabi ko lang, hindi magpapatalo ang Pilipino. Depende yan sa atin kung yung ating strategy na gagawin ay talo natin ang India. Ang Pilipino hindi yan magpapatalo pag yes, kilala ko ang Pilipino. Tingnan mo sa crowd 1, manager 3 stars si Sunil, Coach Anton, di ba? Tama ba? Manager 3 star? Si Sunil?
Tama.
Okay, pero ang binabasihan ko doon sa aming team, 15 yata ang director niyan sa aming team sa Europe team. Kasi nag-sign up na diyan, nakita natin sina Sir Junel, pero nakita ko yan tinanggi niya. Ibig sabihin, nung isang araw pumasok si Risa, nag-uusap ng mga yan, tinitingnan din ng mga yan sa YouTube, siguro sa account nila sa Crowd1, sa C1. Tahimik lang silang gagalaw. Ngayon, ito power ang nakita nila dahil doon sa testimony mo, Coach Anton, sa leader mo, and then sa structure, importante structure, 2.5% each pag may structure ka.
Oo.
Yun ay ipapaliwanag natin doon kasi pare-pares tayo pag may invite, hindi 3%, hindi 2% ang binigay, kundi 2.5% 10 level. Pare-pares tayo. Tama ba, Coach Anton?
Tama, tama.
Okay. Maganda dito kasi hindi tayo magkakaingitan. Kasi pag may direct ka, mayroong kang tao hanggang 10 level, 2.5% ang binigay nila kada withdraw. Diba?
Grabe. Grabe.
Oh, grabe yan. Ngayon, meron din akong idea kasi yung mga bagong papasok na walang Corvette, pwede silang bumili sa C1 ng Shockwave. Open pa yan. 2,000 Corvette, pwede nila yung gamitin na $250. Tubo sila doon. Tama ba, Coach Anton?
Ang
Tama ba?
problema po, wala silang i-burn na galing sa
Hindi, bibili nga sila, Coach.
Hindi kasi nga, di ba, iba yung i-burn mo galing doon sa hindi pa na-stream.
Hindi. Nabiburn din yung binibili.
Nabibili ako.
Yes. Kasi mayroon na kababago lang pumasok, bumili sila ng Shockwave. Naging 250, tinapatan niya yun. Tinapatan niya. Ibig sabihin, 12,000 kagad. Naintindihan mo, Coach AD? Yung 129 na yung magkano ba yung 110 na 2,000 Corvette doon sa Shockwave, yung light, tama ba, Coach Anton? Yung pinakababa? Yun ang binili niya eh. 2,000 Corvette. Pag yun ay sinunog, $250. Tama ba?
250,000. Hindi siya 500.
Hindi kasi nga double, 'di ba? 250, 500 'yon. Magdodoble 'yon. 'Di ba? Magdodoble yung kaltas. Tama ba? Kaya nga magdodobling kaltas yun sa atin eh. Kaya yung tubo pa rin ko dyan doon kasi 110 magiging 250. O, diba? Tapos tatapatan yung 250, 12,000 kaagad, katulad ng sa ating ginagawa. 6,000 pala, 6,000. 250. Kaya yung 110 sa Corvette, nabibili niya sa Shockwave, magkano membership? Magkano lang membership? 129, tama ba, Coach Anton? Sa Crowd 1?
129 sir, no? May promo ngayon, di ba? May promo ngayon, tapos may magra-rank up ka pa, magdo-double pa yon. Kumbaga, kunyari, marami ka makukuha ang Corvette.
Kasi yun ang strategy ng yung mga walang Corvette, yung mga bagong papasok sa Crowd 1. Ino-offer nila yung mababang package doon, 129, yung Earth. Tapos, bibili ng Shockwave, tapos papasok sila ngayon sa Tag Market. Bagong membro yung sinasabi ko, Chanto na. Bagong membro yun.
Tama.
Oh. Nakahabol sila sa Tag Market. Ngayon, magni-network sila doon sa dito sa Tag Market. Mamaya pag-usapan natin yan, Coach Anton. Yung strategy natin gagawin. Yung kasi maraming papasok dito na mga bago na hindi membro pa ng C1. Para maabili nila yung times 2, bibili sila ng Shockwave. Pero the best na pumasok sila sa C1 dashboard, bumili sila ng parts doon ng maliit kasi mayroong travel, may mga product pa tayong ibang company. UNX, etc. Ang dami pa niyan. C-Link wallet, papasok nila yan. Pero kung makikidikit lang sila sa Tag Market, hanggang doon lang sila sa Tag Market. Tama ba? Ang laki ng company natin, habulin na yan ng community.
Tama.
O kaya yung ibang nagsasabi sa akin, na pa-join niya sa Crowd 1. Tapos bumili na sa Shockwave, tapos pumasok. Madali na lang, magkano lang ba yun?
Yun ang power sa bago. Sa bago yun ang power.
Yes, yun ang power sa bago. Yun ang power sa bago. Di ba? Yun ang the best na strategy. Kasi walang lugi. Tapos, bagong akyat sa dashboard ng C1, pag nakapag-invite, kuwan yun, bagong income na we-withdraw sa C1. Di ba? Kasi marami pang hindi pa kasama sa C1.
Tama.
Kaya yan, kasi papasok ang mga yan kasi nga habulin nila yung tag market. Pero yung mga katulad natin, i-offer natin ang C1, kasi ang tag market nasa loob ng C1, ng C-Link.
Nasa silid.
Di ba? Ipopromote natin ang C1. Okay, gusto mong tag market? Alam mo ba ang tag market nasa loob ng C-Link. Ang C-Link ay nasa loob ng C1.
Tama.
Di ba? Kailangan mo rin magkaroon ng C-Link kasi na dyan makikita yung UNX, nakakunik siya. O, di ba?
Tama.
Yun ay strategy. Kasi nga, mga yan papasok. Kaya maraming mapapasok na membro ng C1 na bago. Mamaya natin pag-usapan yan, Coach Anton, mag-open ulit tayo mga 8:30 para at least may pahinga. No? Coach AD.
Pwede naman, pwede naman.
Kasi para makasabay ang nasa US, Canada, Middle East, and Europe. Kasi ang karamihan nasa trabaho pa eh. Di ba?
Bagay, naka-live naman tayo. Pwede man sila nakikinig lang dyan muna.
Pero, importante pa rin yung mag-share ng dashboard, mag-share ng screen sila. Di ba?
Importante talaga yun.
Yes. Kasi marami ding, kahit napanood na raw sa YouTube, nagpapaguide pa rin sa akin. Karamihan ganon, Coach Anton. Ngayon, ang gawin natin, para hindi lang isa, dalawa, mag-open na tayo ng meeting, kahit isang oras every night, di ba? Yun ang gusto nila eh. Kasi yung mga yan, dadagdag na ang papasok dahil nga malakas na, may power na itong tag market sa atin. Hindi biro yung rewards. 1.2 house in lot, dollar yon. 1.2 million.
Oo, matindi yun talaga.
Hindi no, no. Alam mo yan, Sir Danny, nasa EA economy tayo. Talagang yung si ano, ang
Yes.
daming binibigay sa
Pinakita
kanya.
niya yun sa akin.
Yes.
Si Flores.
Oo.
Si Flores, 500,000 ang nagagastos niya sa opisina. Sabi niya, Sir, kung hindi ako kumikita ng 10 million, paano ko mababayaran itong mga expenses? Ang dami kong tao. Binabayaran. O yung tax niyan, lahat, bayad dyan. May mga pag-ibig, may mga SS yan, may mga pag-ibig pa yan, ang mga magtatrabaho, kompleto yun. Million na nagagastos niya. Kung hindi siya daw kikita ng 10 million, ay 5,000 na mga traders sa buong mundo. Kung saan doon meron siya, active.
Oo.
Pero kaya nating habulin yan. Hindi lang 5,000 meron tayo sa structure natin.
Tama.
2.5% each. Imagine mo yun? Yung 95 ni Coach Eddie, papasok yun ng 250. Hindi lang magiging 250 yan. Kasi nga sinabi ko na, magkahabulan. Magpapahantihan yan.
Dami yan.
Maniwala kayo. Pero sinabi ko na nung una, hindi kami nagsasuggest kung magkano. Hindi kami nagdi-demand din sa inyo. Hindi namin kayo inuutosan. Hindi namin kayo pinupuwersa. Sinabi ko pa nga yan, walang sisihan. Sinabi ko kanina sa chat, kung ako kumita ng 1 million, wala akong sisisihin. Kung kumita kayo ng $10,000 dito, wala tayong sisisihin. Tama ba?
Tama.
Siyempre, hindi mo nga sisisihin dahil kinita mo yun. Magsasaya ka.
Logic lang. Di ba?
Sabi
Ibig sabihin,
ko, Bro Danny, sabi ko kay Saganton kanina, nag-uusap kami. Sabi ko, di ba, ikay pa uwi. Pa uwi.
yes.
Bago pa umuwi ka ako, talagang magmi-meeting tayo at tayo order ng lechon galing sa ating income.
Yes, ipiprepare natin kasi nandiyan na si Ma'am Mina, sina Sir Jonel, mag-uusap yan, sina Pastor Marites, mag-uusap yan, maniwala ka. Ngayon, mag-prepare tayo bago ako umuwi, mag-meeting tayo dito sa Milano. Kung makakarating si Coach Anton, maganda rin. O kung makakarating sina Coach Loreto, yung mga ibang lugar, ikon natin yon sa November bago ako umuwi. December 10 ako uwi. Tapos sa Pilipinas, magkukan din ako ng isang meeting doon. Papupuntay ko sina Coach Arroyo para mag-testimony sila sa meeting. Oo, sina Coach Arroyo, pagtitestimony ko doon sa meeting na yon. Power yon. Tapos, iko-convince ko si Ma'am Risa, yung team niya, ambassador, na pumunta sa meeting. na ipapakita ko direct sa inyo kung ano na ang meron dito. Ganun lang. Tapos si Ma'am Beth, usapin ko si Ma'am Beth, tutulungan niya ako mag-present. Diba? Yung iba pa na meron tayo dyan sa Pilipinas, yun, tuloy-tuloy na. Tapos, siguro kung itatapat sa time dito sa Europe, pwede kayo mag-guest doon, ila-live para marinig din yung atin. Pwede naman i-organize yan, Coach Andon, Coach Eddie. Pwede yung pag-usapan natin kung ano yung plano natin sa meeting na gaganapin para maging power na yan. Ano, mamaya na lang, Coach Eddie, Coach Anton, 8:30.
Hindi, kung wala nang tanong, dito rin na lang mamaya 8:30.
Yes, mamaya na lang. Isipan na lang nila. Baka may magpapasok mamaya, hindi natin alam. Magpe-prepare o bibili na sila ng crypto mamaya. Mas magandang...
May question po ba kayo?
Yan, tanong po na baka may mga question.
O balik sila mamaya.
Akin po, wala na kung yung link pwede nang gamitin.
Fernando po kayo, Fernando po. Sabi ko sa inyo.
Ma'am Elena, mag-invite kayo. Pasok tayo mamaya. Iyan pa rin yung link na yan gagamitin.
Yun nga po, yung partner, siyempre, hindi naman natin mapili kung gusto lang nila dito o ano. So, yung kulang sa budget. So, ang gusto ko lang din, yun nga. Maganda yung ano mo.
Ma'am, mamaya sasabihin ko ang strategy, lahat. Tutulungan ko kayo. Hindi nila pwedeng i-reject o tatanggihan. Mamaya makinig yung gusto makinig. The best yung strategy na papagawa ko. Kasi meron ng umukay at gagawin din nila. Mamaya sasabihin ko doon sa meeting, alas 8:30, umattend sila. Meron akong naisip na hindi nila pwedeng tanggihan. Coach Anton, Coach Eddie, mamaya na lang,
Pag sa inyo,
okay. Sige.
oras sa amin.
Okay na, sir. Okay na muna tayo. Tuloy na lang mamaya.
Okay po, salamat.
Kayong tanong? Wala na po kayong tanong, no?
Wala na magtatanong. Atog muna natin para
Tita Glo, thank you. Tita Eva, Ma'am Ann, thank you. Emmy, thank you. Ma'am Linda, Imelda, Let, thank you. Sir Eddie, thank you so much. Sir Loreto, thank you.
everyone.
Same link po tayo mamaya. Same link lang din po yan.
Sir Anton.
Okay po.
Okay, bye-bye. Bye-bye. God bless you.
Inspired yung downline mo.
Bye-bye. Thank you.
Bye-bye po.
Thank you.